The former governor of Rivers State, Sir Celestine here. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our dear state, Professor Oko-Jumbo, the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, well seated with us here, Right the Honorable Victor Oko-Jumbo, distinguished Senator John Mbata, Senator Lee, and other members of the National Assembly that are here, my good head, like the Honorable Emerengwa and others. Let me use that as a point of contact to other members of the National Assembly that are here with us, and also State House of Assembly. The chairman of the Council of Traditional Rulers of Rivers State, the Ekpeye, the third, and other royal fathers of the Ekpeye Kingdom that are here with us. Maybe if I started this journey early, I would have said my son, but I didn't start early. So my son, Right the Honorable Edison Yawe, Chief of Staff of Ekpeye House, and other members of the State Executive Council that are here with us. The chairman of Ahoada and other chairmen that are here, invited guests, our beautiful women, students of this great school, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I am overwhelmed with joy standing here this afternoon to celebrate a project that is not associated to vindictiveness. I use that word because this project was awarded before May 29th. It wasn't funded. The contractors are not even people I know. But by the special grace of God, because of the importance of education that we see as a key thing that we must follow, notwithstanding our position or our problem. We invited the contractors in the month of August of that year and charged them that we are going to fund this project. We are not interested in changing the contractors. And I can say that that should speak to the kind of person that is leading these things. On Wednesday this week, we inaugurated a project, an 11.8 kilometer road, Oko-Jumbo link road. It's a road that connected Omoma and Ichie. And we make very bold statement there to say that very soon we will be going to Omoma to also inaugurate another project. And we challenged them that the project we are going to commission in Omoma is the first project that they are seeing. A few days later, those people who felt that the only way they can survive is social media and to sell dogs. I wonder why you go to school, your parents will spend money and the only profession that you choose is to be a data boy and to sell dogs. If they love you, the appointment they gave to one boy, I don't want to call where it's from, and you were good. Why didn't they give you the appointment? Go and check yourself, something is wrong with you. It's not about coming to abuse people. Think about your life. Are you living a quality life? Even if you're asked to abuse people, at times you say, what will people talk about me? Knowing fully well that what I'm saying is not true. I stand here to say that even if there was a project commissioned at that time, it was a farm road. It has no connection to anything. The project we are commissioning has significance. And that is what we should be talking about. It's not going to do one useless project and we call people. We're talking about projects that will add value to the life of the people that you have decided to govern with the support of your people. So we will not celebrate things that will not make meaning. That is why we're here today to inaugurate this school, special school for people that are going to be mothers to this great nation. People that will be wives to great men. And if you don't produce a quality girl child, it means the nation is gone. So we can see, everybody can attest that we are strategic. It's not just doing, but doing what is right. I assure our people that we will not do anything that we cannot stand and be proud of ourselves that we did something right. Let me talk politics a little. I understand the emotion that is being displayed here today. I feel for this great kingdom. When the Ekpeye was talking, a lot of you don't understand what happened. Because of their support for me, he was arrested, charged for false accusation, detained in police custody for more than 4 months, himself and Cassidy. We're not even talking about my chief of staff. Because of the support that he has publicly displayed, he was even declared wanted so that they can maybe reduce our influence. But the truth is always very clear. Enemy has a time. His steam cannot last forever. Amen. And I can assure you with all boldness today that they are gradually coming to an end. What we just need is to be patient. We have promised that our tactics will be following this process with patience and the fear of God, and we'll get there. So as Ekpeye and other traditional rulers here who have suffered in the course of supporting us, your request for recognition of others too will be granted. On the issue of the extension of this road, is to tell you that our business is not just coming to commission, but also looking at other things that will help the effective running of this place. We decided to work on that road because we found out that the other access road to this place was bad. When I drove in here for inspection, my heart was shaking. I said, let my vehicle not collapse, because we had to use that bridge. It wasn't strong. So I can assure you here that the only thing you need to do for us is pray. Let us get our money and more money. That's 1 kilometer to complete the bridge will be added to the projects. As for the internal road and other things, you already know the story there. The person the job was given to, wonderful young man, but doesn't have the boldness to look at truth and tell the person, look, what you're doing and what we are doing is bad. So I feel it will be wrong for me to continue to sponsor somebody who has come openly to declare himself an enemy of the state. So that project, I believe the Minister of Works was written to them. I'm going to cancel it officially and re-award it for the completion. Thank you. So we have taken that part. Let me come back again to the business of today. I want to thank the good people of Ekpeye, not just Ahoada East. You gave us all the support. You have shown publicly and openly your position in this government. We will support you with everything that we have got. Very honored here. What it will attract to you, this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. But I have an appeal. Be peace-loving. Avoid anything that will avoid anything that will give the enemies any opportunity to attack any of you. I know they're always working, looking for a way to find one reason or the other to attack you. But please, avoid any cause to give them opportunity to start running around here with, I don't want to call the people, you know them, they start with P, to start disturbing the peace of this place. We're entering into a festive period. Enter it with all amount of joy, knowing fully well that our government has its mantra as of today, the people's first. I accept this chieftaincy with all my heart and assure you that I will not disappoint you. The meaning of the chieftaincy is eagle. Eagle is a strong bird. Even in the face of frustration, you can see that we are still flying and flying well. We will continue to make you happy and will bring honor to you. Let me on this note thank everyone. Invite the Deputy Governor, Your Excellency, the Wakenu Chief of the SYMFONI, join us as we officially cut the ribbon to
Clear.
show it like sir.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Security here.
Yes.
Security.
Yes.
You can see. One of the things that I know. This facility serves a lot of problems, not just the land. It's going to be another train for the final district. Preparation for the chance. again, you should try and make a jam center. You understand? Request for.
Just a little, let me get the shot.
And it's so like. I wish I go back to Oko-Jumbo again, right?
Let's go.
All right, open up. Yes, sir.